Listen to the spelling words as they're read aloud and type them in the correct box as you hear them. If you need to repeat any of the words or if you missed any of the words, you can always rewind this recording and double check your work. Number 1, accept. We will accept your apology. Accept. Number 2, adopt. The girl is going to adopt a kitten. Adopt. Number 3, affect. Don't let the noise affect your concentration. Affect. Number 4, compliment. Those shoes complement your dress. Compliment. Number 5, device. Use this device to open the can. Device. Number 6, accept. Everyone except my aunt was at the party. Accept. Number 7, formally. Formally. The man bowed and spoke formally to us. Formally. Number 8, illusion. The magician created an illusion for the audience. Illusion. Number 9, principle. Honesty is a good principle to follow. Principle. Number 10, precede. A ceremony will precede the parade. Precede.